On all refinance loans, you're going to need to complete two tangible benefit worksheets. The first one is on the Forms tab, and it's called Anti-Flipping Tangible Benefit Worksheet. This worksheet will be for Ohio loans only. You'll see in Note 6 it indicates for Ohio only. On this form, you're going to just need to answer the questions below. Is this a refinance that meets the criteria above? You would click yes, and then you would answer all these questions, questions 1 through 10. If you answer yes to any of those questions, you would then use this explanation field down below to explain an explanation behind the yes to that question. Otherwise, you would answer all the questions no if none of these apply. And that'll populate that form into your e-disclosures for your borrower. The next form you need to complete is the net tangible benefit, and that's under the Tools tab, and it's called Net Tangible Benefit. And what this is you need to fill in the existing loan information, the loan that they are refinancing. You need to put in the loan date. That would be like the first payment date. If you don't know what that is, it should be on the credit report. So then you can enter that date in here. Then you would enter the original loan amount. You would enter the original term, the months remaining, if it was fixed, what their interest rate was. And then you can answer any questions below if there was a prepayment penalty involved. And then down below here, you would need to indicate if it was an FHA or VA or if it was had state or federal financing agencies involved. If you knew the LTV and the original loan purpose, if it was a purchase, what their payment amount, what their mortgage insurance, and what their totally monthly obligation is. So you want to fill in all the information you can for the existing loan. If the borrower owns their property free and clear and there's no mortgage, then you could put a loan date in here. If you know their original first payment date, you can put it in. Otherwise, just put in today's date because this form won't be needed on a file that doesn't have an existing loan. So then you just need to put in zeros in these boxes because these first 5 or 6 fields here, these are required in order for you to generate your e-disclosures. If these are blank, you're going to get an error message when you're generating your e-disclosures. So again, on a mortgage that is on a house that they have no mortgage on, it's owned free and clear, you're just going to need to put zeros in there. Then when you generate your e-disclosures, it'll generate the net tangible worksheet and the anti-flipping tangible worksheet as well.